Some of it.
This is the area where they have the John Deere show.
Yeah. Yep. The 80 Bakers going to the construction area. We passed by the president. That's neat.
U.S. Army.
Yeah, that's neat.
That is neat.
They got the mini Austin roller up here.
And then they got another Army truck over here. Dump truck. Either World War I, World War II. That's World War I, World War II.
There's the rock crusher they used yesterday with the Peerless.
Roger said they're going to do it again today.
Yeah. Yep. The 80 Bakers up here.
Rod, the new road. The new road.
The new route for it.
Here's more U.S. Army.
U.S. Navy.
Oh, that's the Navy.
That's the Navy. It says can do. That's nice, the Navy.
Going in the road to Tokyo. They actually got Japan. Actually got Japan stickers on.
The Advance is up here.
Yeah, it's doing the road.
Alex Samerson's. Or Allen, what are the two? It's coming this way. What's it doing this way?
I'm going to do the grading. Where's Roger?
I don't know. We have to wait for him. It's too hot right now. It's dusty. That Vance brought the dust with it. The dump truck's not running.
Well, it's running.
It's not on.
It's just quiet. That's what that should have had down there.
No, that's Allen Samerson's.